because she will make your back sweat. Okay, we don't talk about that enough. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I am bringing you another synthetic wig review. This wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today is by Bobbi Boss in the style JAZZLYN, and the color that I have it in is F2683. So before we go ahead and get into the specs, details, and of course my personal opinion, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and styling portion of today's video. So if you guys are excited and you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. And let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said in my last video, I did some wig shopping and I ended up purchasing this unit by Bobbi Boss. I haven't tried a U-part wig in so long. I think the last one that I tried was Zuri Sis Kenzie. Really liked it, but I will get into my thoughts in a little bit on how I feel about this top knot situation. As far as the cap construction goes, it is standard. You get two combs on the left and right hand side. There's a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. Y'all, this color is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that rich brown color. Like, I am so obsessed with it. And of course, I'm obsessed with this loose wave texture. I feel like y'all can tell that is just the vibe that I have been going with lately. It's so romantic, so pretty, very effortless, and I'm very much into it. And I really liked the way that this hair felt right off the bat. It is a little bit longer on me. It's about 24 inches long, I want to say. She definitely has a fuller density, but nothing insane and crazy thick, you know what I'm saying? But she does pack a little bit of heat. Now, this ponytail was not the business, and this is one of my biggest issues with these units, is that you can't ever get a really sleek ponytail. You know what I'm saying? There's always some filler hair or something going on, or there's just too much hair and wefts sewn into that area to really have a flat, sleek ponytail. I'm just going to take that ponytail down, press out the part with my hot comb and keep it pushing, and style this unit as a side part. That is another thing that I don't necessarily love about these units, is that you cannot do a middle part style. But you know what? If you wanted a middle part, find a loose wave wig with a middle part situation, or like a frontal situation. But this is not the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back this hair and get to working on this hairline. I'm not going to pluck or anything like that, so I don't really even know why I said that. We are going to get into my thorough review after I'm done styling this unit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are here for this kind of style, if you like these kinds of videos. And if you guys are new, be sure to click that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes. I'm really stepping up my content over on Instagram, so y'all really need to go check it out. It is linked down below. Anyways, share this video with a friend or family member who you think would slay this wig. We are so close to reaching 5,000 subscribers, and y'all know when we do, there is a giveaway in the works. Let's go ahead and get into the review about this wig. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the specs about this unit. I'm not sure if they have an entire collection with this kind of part, but this unit in particular is a part of their unique part U-shaped lace part unit. So how many times did I just say the word part? This is my first time trying out a U-shaped part unit by Bobbi Boss. I don't know if they have an entire collection, but it is pretty similar to the Zuri Sis Fab and Kenzie, who have that U-shaped part right here in the front. Basically, you can part it on the left, you can part it on the right, you cannot part it down the middle, or you can do like a little updo style with this part space right here, because you'll have that lace going all the way around, if that makes any sense. It does also claim to be heat safe, and I would say that it is, because I did go in with my hot comb just to flatten out around the parting space. It doesn't give a degree, but I would say don't go above 400 degrees. I have the Andis hot comb, and whenever I'm using this on my synthetic wigs, I typically don't go over 10. I feel like that's perfectly fine to flatten out around the parting space, and you're not going to have to worry about melting your wig unless it clearly says do not go over like 350, then I would go down to like a 5. So yeah, it says that it is a premium synthetic wig, and I don't think that there are any other claims. It does say that it has baby hair, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's talk about this cap construction. It did fit pretty nicely on my head. I was actually really surprised, because I feel like every time I try out a Bobbi Boss unit, it does fit a little snug, but this one fits really nicely. It didn't come all the way down over my hairline, but it did fit ear to ear, if that makes any sense. But I couldn't like glue down the entire frontal if I wanted to, but it did fit pretty comfortably on my head, so I am happy about that, because you know, big head gang. Now let's talk about this lace color. This was surprising to me, because I pulled this out the box and it is a brown lace. So I feel like if you are somebody of a deeper complexion and you don't want to have to fool with tinting your lace, you're going to like this collection. Hopefully there's more than just this wig. I'm pretty sure there is. I have not seen a synthetic wig with brown lace in a long time. So again, if you're somebody who does not like to fool with the tinting of their lace and you are of a darker complexion than I am, you're going to have a really nice melt with this unit. If you are my complexion or lighter, you are going to have to play around with some powders or foundations in order to get the lace to look as natural as possible. I didn't have too hard of a time. I did go in and spray down this lace in one little section, mostly because it just wasn't laying flat on my head. So going in with powder or foundation alone was not going to be it for me because my lace was lifting. So I just went in with some spray, sprayed it down, and that's when I added my foundation into the parting space and along the hairline right here. I feel like where we're at right now with this wig, like, we're good. Is it clockable? Yes. Did I say I was going to try to have unclockable wig reviews all 2021? Yes, but today was not that day, okay? I'm just doing the best with what I got. The parting space is really tight, so I feel like you still can't even see my part, even though I did go in and add my concealer shade, which is a little bit lighter, but the parting space is pretty tight, and I'm just not in the mood to be plucking right now. I just wasn't expecting all of this. There are some pros to having lighter lace, but there are pros to having darker lace as well. I guess it all just depends on how much effort you want to put into your wig to make it look as natural as possible. But I do like having lighter lace for the parting space, if that makes any sense. Lately, I've really been obsessed with this like loose wave type of curl pattern. I think that it is just so pretty. It's giving very like effortless, but still like romantic and sexy and feminine, and I really think that it is just so pretty. So I love the style of this wig. This color is bomb. I would love to have a few more wigs in different styles with this color blend. It is so pretty. It's like a rich brown with some really thin caramel highlights all throughout it. I'm loving this color. Like, this looks so good. I like that it doesn't wash me out or anything like that. I like that the highlights are nice and thin. They're not super chunky or, you know, weirdly placed throughout the unit. I definitely need to go through and look at other Bobbi Boss units and find other ones with this color blend because I think it is absolutely stunning. This unit does have a silkier texture. I wouldn't say that it is a yaki texture or even a light yaki, but I don't think that it's giving off artificial as far as the shine goes. I feel like it looks just nice and healthy. I also really like how no matter how many times I've run my fingers through this hair or run a brush through it to get all the shed hair loose, it hasn't disrupted the curl pattern. Sometimes with wavy units, the more you manipulate them, it just kind of gets frizzy. That's another aspect of this style that I really like, is how the curls or the wave pattern does not get disrupted the more you kind of like manipulate this style. I will say though that taking down that ponytail that it came with, I did get a little bit of tangling with that, and I have gotten some tangling throughout this wig, but it's nothing crazy. Like, as you guys can see, I'm running my fingers through the back of this wig, and I'm not getting a lot of snags or many snags at all. So that is a plus. I've got one little one right there, but I did notice that I did have some snags once I took down that ponytail that it came with. The only issue that I have with this wig is the shedding. It has not stopped shedding. This wig was shedding straight out of the box. I did receive a little bit more shed hair once I cut the lace, but it really hasn't stopped shedding. However, it's not coming out in clumps. It's not, you know, like a serious, like scary amount of hair. But if you're someone who does not like your units to shed, this is something that is going to shed constantly, you know, a few hairs at a time. So if you are somebody who does not like that, steer clear of this wig. Now, she does have a fuller density. She's nice and thick. I don't think that it's too much hair, but given that we are in the full-blown summer months, wearing this wig for a long period of time is definitely going to bring the heat. I would maybe bring this wig out for like a date night or something in the evening. I don't know if I would wear this in the middle of the afternoon because it is pretty long and it is of a higher density. So if you're somebody who does not like a lot of heat on your neck and in your back, because she will make your back sweat. Okay, we don't talk about that enough. We don't talk about how the length of your hair can make your back sweat. You know what I'm saying? Like that center of your back, that's not cute. I mean, it happens. It's natural. Everybody sweats. Just keep in mind that she is going to bring the heat this summer. Don't get me wrong. She is still serving a look. So if you're somebody who can just get past that and be like, you know what, listen, I'm gonna be hot, but I'm gonna be cute, she's definitely the wig for you. This wig retails anywhere from $25 to about $35 depending on which online beauty supply store you decide to shop from. Y'all know I will leave a generic link down below, so shop around. take shipping into consideration, find a coupon code, anything to save some coin. So be sure to check out the description bar if you want to purchase this wig and get your life. I just want to mention real quick that if you guys ever purchase a wig after seeing one of my reviews and you want to post some pictures, please be sure to tag me because I would love to see y'all style these units. I feel like sometimes I post videos and I hear people in the comments like, oh, I purchased this wig and I love it. But I'm like nosy a little bit, like I want to see how it looks on you, so please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked down below as well, so be sure to follow me so we can become friends and I can see y'all slay on the gram, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm really excited to see that. I don't think that there's anything else for me to mention. If I forgot anything, y'all know sometimes I can be long-winded and I can trail off on a tangent. So if there's a question that you have about this unit, please be sure to leave it in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that button before you leave. Turn on the bell so you don't miss an upload from me. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye!
I can